flashing for you on the screen. We've learned, in fact, and source-based information tells us that there have been various price increases in various parts of the country. To understand more about that, we're joined by Mr. Ravi, the Managing Director of NCL Industries. Hi, Mr. Ravi. Thanks so much, sir, for joining in. Could you give us some clarity on this? There is source-based information coming in that there is a price increase. Number one, is there a price increase? And if there is one, where has it taken place?
Yeah, there is a price increase. The demand has picked up. So with that, about, I think, 10 to 15 rupees increase is there in the market.
All right.
Okay. Mr. Ravi, you said that demand has picked up. So could you give us a sense of what the volume growth is looking like, say, in the month of February compared to what it was in January? And what's your expectation about March? How should the volumes improve from here on, considering the demand pickup?
Yeah, in the month of February, I think the AP and Telangana states both put together, I think will be crossing the 20 lakh tons.
Okay, and what were the figures, say, in the prior months to give us a sense how 20 lakh tons looks like or compares?
See, prior month, maybe because there was a festival, I mean, it was, I think, around, maybe say around 18 lakhs, 17 to 18 lakhs.
So about a 10% increase in volumes.
Sorry?
A 10% increase in volumes.
Yeah, almost 10% increase. And for the next month, I think the month of March, it may go up to 24 lakhs. That's what how it appears.
24 lakh. All right. So things are looking good then, Mr. Ravi, as you say that, your shareholders are very, very happy. Just take a look at the intraday chart of NCL Industries. The stock has spiked up. The volumes as well have spiked up big time. So let's get the intraday chart up for you on the screen. And it's rather encouraging, sir, to know that this price increase is on the back of demand. It's not on the back of some scarcity or something like that. So the stock spikes up as we speak. 10 to 15 rupees, sir. This will directly flow into your EBITDA then, if I understand right. I mean, there's no big price increase. It's a demand increase. Am I getting that point right?
Yeah, demand increase. And see, now I think prices will go up further.
Oh.
As it appears. All right.
Okay.
And this price increase, sir, has been taken in the last few days. Has it been taken yesterday? If you could give us some clarity on that.
It's in the last week.
Last week.
Okay.
All right. And it's been absorbed well. Mr. Ravi?
Yeah.
This particular price increase has been absorbed well.
Yeah, it absorbed well. The demand is good, and so it absorbed.
Okay. So you said you've already taken a 10 to 15 rupee per kg price increase last week, and per bag, sorry. And you're confident,
Per bag, yeah.
And you're confident the prices could improve from here on. So what could be the further increase we should see? That's the first question.
I'm sorry, I'm not able to hear you properly.
No, we just want to know, sir, we just want to know from here on, do you expect prices to increase further? And if yes, by how much?
Yeah, maybe another 10 to 15 rupees in the month of March.
All right.
Okay. And just one question, sir. If you could tell us how much of a raw material price increase have you seen, and therefore if, your costs have gone up, does the price hike negate that?
Not much of a price increase for the raw material.
Okay.
It's only cement, the finished product only increase is there.
All right, Mr. Ravi. Thanks so much, sir.